hello to all my fellow Filipino there around the world. And, you know, all I hear is a lot of insults from different foreigners. Some of them are, English speaking. And some people told me, you can go get pack up. What's pack up? I know pack up. See, I have a cup here in the Philippines. We call it cup, not snapback. But I'm not living in the Philippines. I just have the accent because that's how I represent my nationality, my heritage. Heritage, heritage. And anyway, pack up. It's asking, can I please use your cup? Pack up. So if somebody tell me, it's like a American, hey, go get pack up. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. It's like, go get, can I use your cup? Cup. Well, all I know, cup is one of those boobies, in Asia, especially in Japan, they are so perverted. They use cup, J cup, whatever. And somebody also told me, hey, you're such a fool. I'm like, a fool? I'm a swimming pool. I don't get it. I'm a pool. I'm not that big. I'm not that fat ass. I'm not taba. Taba is a fat ass, And I'm like, there's another word for pool. Like polling. I'm like, you're such a fool. And I told the Americans, I'm such a fool. Who am I pulling? I'm not pulling anybody. I'm not pulling you. Am I pulling you? I'm not gay because you're a guy in front of me. And you think I am trying to pull your dick, whatever dick. I don't get it. Dick, because in the Philippines, Dick is a name. I know this guy in the Philippines is an actor. He's old. I don't know if he's dead or alive. His name is Dick Israel. So that doesn't even make sense. His last name is Israel, and that means in Israel, if you go there, you see a lot of dicks, and they say a lot of some retarded shit. Retarded. I don't know. When I was small, I thought retarded is the opposite of what's that word? Bombarded, bombarded, like when they bomb shit. I don't even know why I say shit, because in America, shit means poop, and shit, some people think shit is some bad word. In the other countries, if they hear you say shit, they think you're American, they're gonna execute you with a gun, blam, and my father once told me a refrigerator, it is very, very expensive, I don't know why I'm talking about this random shit, but I'm very random. Anyway, to all, Manny Pacquiao, Manny Pacquiao? He's a very, very good boxer. He's a left-handed southpaw, and he tried to imitate this one Canadian Scottish accent. And no, I'm from Scotland. What the fuck is that? I'm gonna go pack. Because, one more word. If you say pack, not pack up, just pack only. If they say a lot of times pack in the Philippines, it's wings, wings. So they say pack, they're telling you wings. So you can go pack yourself up. You can go pack yourself. So you can go get wings yourself. How do you get wings? You're a human being. You're not a bird. You want to talk about birds? In the Philippines, the second meaning of birds is the flying animal. But the first meaning bird is the bird. See, the bird. Also known as tite in the Philippines. So if they say bird, the males in the Philippines, if a female say, hey, they have a bird, and the males will they'll get aroused, they'll get a lot of arousal, whatever they call it, arousal, and arousal, whatever, pandesal. I eat pandesal every day, but I don't see no type of pandesal called arousal. All I see is your mother just saying pandesal, kandasal, penakasal, kasal, yeah. So if you say arasal, they think it's the brother of pakasal, so they think it's has something to do with marriage, and so if pandesal also has something to do with it, so people think that arasal is like a mixture of eating pandesal during a marriage ceremony, like the priest. You may not kiss the bride, and then he eats pandesal in front of the groom and bride before they kiss, and the groom is like, what the fuck is going on here? Pak. I need some pak from a Jollibee, that wings pak. And I need some, pandesal and pak. So it can be a sandwich. But in America, they think, they always make fun of sandwich jokes. Men telling women, hey, go make me a sandwich. Well, if the woman has big titties, you know, in America they call titis the boobies, you know, but in Philippines titis is the plural for you know, dick, the dick, whatever they dick, also known as you know, yeah, the dick here in the bird, yeah, bird, and you know, I heard this one guy in my school. His nickname is Rat, and so he was participating in a 1-1 contest against his rival. I forgot his name, and his name is not important anyway. And his name is yeah, Rat, and people booing him, and they say boo, 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 and then people are like, what the fuck, man, what the fuck, and yeah, but anyway, burat, boo, burat, burat. In the Philippines, you say burat. All the people think that you're talking about the balls. You know the balls. I already showed you that bird, but the balls are below the bird. And if you can't comprehend that, you better take some lessons from one of these Asian, because in America they have a lot of Asian teacher Kerr, whatever Kerr, Steve Kerr, shooting a basketball, balls, and the Borat is balls, so you can see Borat anywhere, basketball, football, soccer ball, volleyball, goal, goal, whatever, gargoyle. See, you can combine. A gargoyle is like a Filipino word for gagol. Get it? A goal that is very gago. Gago is like a offensive word, like a pack you, similar pack you. They just need to add a T, and that they think that the girls will always think that, hey, the guys are pack you. Hey there, ladies. May I please get your number? I'll go gay for you. See, I'm acting gay now because I know ladies hang out with gay people. And pack that shit in the you know, Philippines, see, Pacman. Anyway, I already talk about Manny Pacquiao. Peace there, motherfucker. But in the Philippines, madapaka, it means, I hope you trip, and that's not nice. It's very impolite. I mean, in America, they take it very offensively. Like, some people joke about it, but in the Philippines, it's like bad luck. Madapaka! Oy, hey, madapaka! See, it's like telling someone they hope they trip. What the fuck is that? You don't tell that to anyone. Well, you don't tell that to the ladies if you're a male. And if you're ladies, I don't know. Don't tell that. Go tell that to males. But I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, because I have a wings. I can fly like a bird. See? I have a fuck, and I can fly like my bird. See? Bird. Hope you subscribe. Now, so put your comments down there, motherfuckers.